Alright guys, we're back here, over here, on the other side of a different place. Gonna see if we can't catch anything here. Never been here before. Looks interesting though. Got my Lucky Craft. Oh man, what was that? What was that? Did I get that? Oh, that's sad. That bird has a swim bait in its mouth. That's not cool. We don't want to see that. Dude, he has a swim bait in its mouth, man. Yeah. Alright, now my boy Christian wants to go on a rescue mission for this freaking bird. Damn, yeah, I think he's stuck, dude. Wade out there. How deep is it? So wade on out there and get it.
I'm thinking about it. Turn on your GoPro.
What?
Tension on it. Don't break my rod.
He ain't moving, dude.
Huh?
He ain't moving. Here. You play with him. You just, I don't know. Come up. Alright guys, we got another one mark off our multi-species list. It is the black cormorant, I believe. Oh. Oh damn.
You got pliers?
I do.
Broke it. You hit some on me. One out. I had to hook him to get him in, unfortunately, or else it wouldn't have been the other way. Ready? 1, 2. Oh shit. There you go, that's 2. Alright, big guy. Oh, we just rescued a bird.
Yo. And the release.
Good luck. That's my good deed for today.